Hi, what's up, boys? Second back testing session. So at end of the day, I ended the last one with me hitting the TP right here. It's only 650, right? So I'm gonna move to the next day. So let's get this shit going, boys. Let's go. All right, let's go. Dun, dun. Let's get fast forward to 6:30. Dun. Bang. All right, let's fucking go. Alrighty. So where the fuck is volume area high at? Holy fuck, volume area high is so fucking high. Holy shit. Alright. I gotta wait for press command point of control to do some shit, so I'm gonna do a little fast forwarding action. Point of control is probably gonna shift. If price kind like it might shift around here in just a second. Oh, it might shift really soon. It's close. So price is ripping. I'd love to see price come back into here, but I don't know. Oh, it shifted. Alright. Fuck. Alright. It's all good. Actually, it just shifted, so it should be good. Alright. Let's up down to the fucking 1 second, or the regular time. Alright, bang. What I see here is I see price, big downtrend, price pulled up, right? So, I've been like kind of learning just like, okay, is it really optimal to be like taking these trades if they're super fucking high up? Like, if price rips up this entire time, like, is it even worth it? I see a couple things. First thing I see on Bookmap, big buying pressure coming up all the way, like buying here, buying here, buying here, buying here, buying here, buying here, and then we'll see if there's some buying up here. There's definitely some buying up here for sure, and this big 230 lots pushed up. Price instead of price pushing straight up, it literally dropped right down, right? So that gives off the sign of weakness, right? So what I'm looking for is I want to see price. So that level was at about 299, so it's about here. So on here, right, I see price pulled up, price pulled down. In terms of delta divergence, this was a delta divergence. Price had positive delta, closed down. This had normal delta, normal delta, normal delta. So let's see what this next candle is able to do. And I was like, should I just take a base off all the buying? But I think I want to, but at the same time, it's like, I see big selling right here. I'm gonna be a little more patient because this is a big uptrend. So I'm just gonna wait for a retest. Cause like, it's true, like this is technically like a down uptrend or whatever, but like, it's price still fucking heavily pushed up. So let's see what I want to see price pull back from this level. So I'm gonna do a little fast forwarding action. All right, bang, price pulled up. So big negative delta or positive delta closed down. Positive delta, this is a normal delta. So I'm seeing. Let's zoom in here. So I see big buying up here, big buying up here. Price is instantly pulled down. So in this area is clear absorption. I see some of this candle. I also see big buying on this candle right here. So if I could see some big buying coming in, so big selling right there. Big buying. Selling. Alright. So right here, a positive. Price pulled up. Showed buying, showed selling. I was able to push down. So what I see here on Bookmap is price pulled into all these areas of absorption of levels, right? It got filled on levels, right? Literally into this big area of fucking price levels, right? So what I would do based off of that, I'm gonna take a short. I'm gonna throw my stop right above there, and then we'll see what happens from there. It's interesting. Or is that 275 like that? Oh, well, okay, I'm tripping around. So this candle, I see big buying, Selling's coming in. Selling, more selling. Big negative delta. More negative delta. More negative, more negative. Price push down to this big area. This was, I want to pause this as well real quick. So, also I've been looking at this thing where like it shows like this is all delta. So right in this area from here down to here, this is all positive delta. Tell me why at these highs price pushed down, but it's positive delta, right? That's like it literally, it's really nice. It shows all the delta, what it's like, what it looks like, and where it's at, right? So there's a ton of buying up here. Yet price instantly reject this. Down here, insane amount of negative delta, by the way. Like what the fuck? Also, it doesn't have to be just negative delta. Like delta negative could have just won, but like it still stands, right? So let's see. So price starting to pull up. I'll hit some more buying pressure in the market. So I'm just gonna lower my stop a little more to just above this high right here. So it came up, now it's rejecting. So if it breaks this high, it's probably gonna move up higher. So I'm just gonna let it move down. So this candle, there's buying, but price is instantly pushed down. Like we got positive delta, price is pushing down, making lows right here. Make a low, push down, positive delta still. Clearly show the divergence. Big buy order just came in right here, as we can see, like 133 delta on that price level. We're coming into let me pause real quick. We're coming we filled like a level right here with a lot of like a big order, right? The next big order, you can see these are pretty outstanding. Like there's orders here, some here, but this big order down here, how much is this? This is 86, probably one of the big orders in terms of like price levels that we're going to see. So I'd expect price to pull back to at least 80, realistically. So I'm on pause it. And also, I should have my TPs down here at volume area low. So price came up. Price is showing selling. Price got filled on a big buy order, a passive buy order. A big sell order was just filled actually. So a lot of buyers just filled a big passive sellers order, a limit order on Bookmap. So a big buy order was filled. Then a big buy order here, a big sell order here. It's like what the fuck. Alright, looks like price might stop me out here. Oh wow. Big buyer, big selling right there. Huge sell order. Okay, I just want to show this real quick. This was a passive seller right here who tried to bring price down 400. Holy fuck, that is a massive sell order. And this instantly pushed price down. Massive. He's literally trying to get filled. This is fucking crazy. What the fuck? So this passive seller is trying to get filled right here. Did he just get filled? Holy shit, he just got fucking filled. Oh my god. So big passive seller just got insta filled. Holy shit. So that's really fucking good for me. Seeing that passive seller right there with 400 fucking lots is insane. And the fact he was trying to get filled and bringing price down, like that's insane. So this adds to my confirmation for the trade. So we have some price at these lows. Lots of selling coming in, big selling. Up at 2R right now. Actually, I was technically risking like 275, but I lowered it to 150. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit just so I can kind of. Okay, it looks like okay. This is very very key. Point of control shifted. So I want to pay very close attention because there's been times where like it wicks all the way back after point of control shifting. So I'm gonna be very patient. Oh my god, price is fucking buckling through. Our big selling. I'm looking at Bookmap. There's definitely a lot of passive buying going on. This is a risk-free trade for me now. So instead of closing, I'm just gonna go risk-free. So I'm not losing any trade. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm looking on Bookmap. There's definitely a lot of passive buying. Okay, they just broke through. That's good for buyers. There's some big orders coming up soon in terms of passive buying. 110 right here, 100. These like all started coming really recently. Like down here, it started to come in. Imagine my TP's fucking this far. Like what the fuck, right? So big passive selling coming in or buying, which is not the best to see. And I'm just gonna pause it right here. So the price is down at point of control. I'll look at the delta. The delta, clearly a lot of negative delta, so a lot of buy-ins going on, or technically a lot of selling going on. So more passive buyers are in this area. Technically, right here, there's a lot of passive buyers, right? Now, does that mean they overwhelm it? We don't know yet. We need confirmation of that, right? However, right now, it's interesting. So I actually want to lower my stop because, like I never secure profits, but like I think this is probably I think like up. I was risking 275. I'm up 400, so I'm up almost a 2R. But right here, there's a ton of passive buying coming in, so I'll be very careful. I'm trying to lower to above here, so I'm guaranteed 1R no matter what. Because this could easily flip on me, right? And I wanna literally be fucking ready. Huge amounts of big buy-ins come in. Look at this shit. Big buying. But of course that means there's a buyer. Or big selling, I mean. But of course that means there's a passive buyer. So let's see. Big selling going on right here. It's like price might pull up. This is right where my price level's at. So they might actually try to wick my ass and farm me. But I have a feeling if they bring it up here. I'm gonna. Okay, yeah. They closed my ass. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna re-enter very quickly, and I'm put myself just like that. Okay, I have a feeling I'm probably cooked. I'm not even cooked, bro. Um, I'm just closing there. I'm done for the day. I lost actually $80, so I ended up winning 225 on that trade. It was a little less than I originally wanted, but price ended up fucking pulling back, and I'm like, I want to secure profits, and I'm not gonna let the shift run back on myself. So I'll fast forward to see what happens, just so I can know in the future. So price ended up pulling all the way back here. Mind you, my entry. Fuck, does it show my entry? Fuck, I don't know. I think it was right here. Wait, right here. I think it was like right here, right? At like 95. So I just wanna. Oh my god, look at that shit. I would have been breaking even right there. I would have been at break even 100% right there. So that's very good. I'm glad I closed that trade. Also, there was like there could have been a possible sneaky trade in here. Definitely a sneaky trade in there, but like I took my profits, so I want to leave. So that concludes the second session of backtesting. I don't even know why I'm gonna upload all these. Like I think it'd be cool as fuck. I don't know, but yeah. So see you boys in the next one. I'm gonna backtest next day. Let's get going.